So the law of the lid suggests that you cannot go, G-O, any further than you grow, G-R-O-W. So if I'm going to go to a certain place in my finances, go to a certain place in my business, go to a certain place in my dreams and desires, I have to grow there first. Of course, mentally, intellectually, with information, with my behaviors and with my practices. And then as I begin to grow there, it makes it easier for me to physically, literally go there. So it's definitely tied to the law of the lid. John Maxwell talks a lot about the law of the lid and how our beliefs and how our behaviors and how our operations and how all of the things that we do on a day-to-day basis will determine the impact, because we can't go where we won't grow.